So today we're going to unbox a vintage Coach bag from the year 1996. So this is the scooter bag, style number 9893. It's in the color British tan, and it was made in Hungary in the year 1996. So as you can see, it was really nicely preserved over the years. It comes with this cardboard box that we just showed, and then it also comes with the original price tag still attached. And the price tag has information on the bag like the style number, the color, and then the name, scooter bag. So not too bad for a bag from 1996. So obviously it was really nicely preserved over all these years. It also comes with the matching two-sided hang tag. So the hang tag says Coach on both sides. Hopefully you can see it well. And then when we take a closer look at the front of the bag, it's got brass hardware. It has a turn lock closure. So that's how we'd open and close the bag. And then when we look at the sides of the bag, you can see here it's got a fixed strap that's sewn directly onto the bag. And then here's what the back of the bag looks like. And then when we open it, I'll show you the interior. So it's got a little slip pocket here under the front flap. It's actually got some of the original tissue paper still stored in there. And then when we remove the rest of the packing paper, it also comes with this little Coach booklet that's got information about Coach as a brand, which is pretty nice. And then it's also got this little registration card that would have come with the bag. And the address on the back is for Jacksonville, Florida. So it looks like that's probably where the bag would have been purchased from if I had to guess. And then here's a look at the interior of the bag. So here's the main compartment, as you can see. And then here is that little slip pocket that's under the front flap. It's also got the Creed stamped back there, but it's really hard to pick up well on video. So I'll insert a close-up photo of the Creed so you can see it as well. So that is the vintage Coach scooter bag, and it is available now in our online store, shop.cristinamoda.com. So I will leave a link below if you wanted to look at the listing further. We actually have two like this right now, two scooter bags that come with the Coach box and the price tag still attached. So if you are interested in one of these bags, I will leave the link below to our online store and also to this listing. And we also have one other scooter bag that's in pretty similar condition, but it does come with the little price tag, but it's not attached to the bag anymore, and it doesn't come with the box. So we do have those three scooter bags. They're all in British tan, so I will leave a link below to our online store. But otherwise, thanks for watching and take care.